Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Khalifatul Aulia Asyuriah dengan NIM 2020512006. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan PPT yang saya buat yang berjudul Phytochemical, Antibacterial, and Antioxidant Activity Evaluation of Rhodiola crenulacta. Di sini saya mendapatkan tugas untuk membuat PPT untuk kuliah yang saya jalani saat ini. Saya jurusan farmasi di suatu fakultas, yaitu di ISTA. Untuk mata kuliah yang saya sedang ambil saat ini yaitu di farmakognosi 1 dengan dosen pengampu yaitu dengan Ibu Rini Yanuarti S.M.Si. Mohon bimbingannya, Bu. Baik, yang pertama di sini ada preliminary, yaitu ada abstraknya, di mana the chemical component as well as the antibacterial and antioxidant activities of the essential oil EO and crude extract prepared from Rhodiola crenulacta were investigated. The essential oil was separated by hydrodistillation and gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, or GCMS, which used to identify its constituents. A total of 27 compounds was identified from the EO, and its major components were 1-octanol, 42,217%, geranol, 19,914%, and 6-methyl 5-heptane-2-all. 30 on 115% solvent extraction and fractionation were applied for preparing the ethanol extract, crude extract CE, petroleum ether extract PE, ethyl acetate extract EE, and butanol extract BE, and water extract PE. The CE, EE, and BE were abundant in phenols and flavonoids. NEE had the highest total phenol and total flavonoid content. Gallic acid, ethyl galactosamine, and herbacetin were identified in the EE. The antibacterial activity results showed that the EO exhibited moderate inhibitor activity to the typical clinic bacteria, and EE exhibited the strongest antibacterial activity among the 5 extracts. Okay, next. Introduction. Hodiola L. Where belongs the Crassula type includes plenty of valuable medicinal active plant resources. There are about 200 species of Rhodiola around the world, and the Rhodiola are mainly distributed in the Himalayan region, the west to northern part of Asia, and Northern America. Rhodiola has appeared in the material medical of numerous countries, and its extracts have been widely used throughout the United States, Europe, and Asia. Many high-value or well-known herbal medicinal products of Rhodiola are commercially available, such as Rhodiola capsule, Rhodiola tablet, and Rhodiola oral liquid. These rhodiola preparations are mainly made from the rhizomes of rhodiola, and they usually have significant effect on relieving stress induced fatigue, ex- exhaustion, anxiety, and stress. etc. In the traditional Chinese medicine, radiola aesthetic was used for treating theatrical, neural paralysis, and erysipelas. Gradually, the hemostatic agent or endemic liniment for burns and contusion with contained ingredients of radiola were developed. Next, in the study, the health rhizomes of R. granulata were collected, and the essential oil and crude extract of R. granulata were prepared firstly. Figure 1. Then the chemical composition of the essential oil were preliminarily determined, and the key components of the most activity extract were analyzed further by the high-performance liquid chromatography (HPLC) method. Moreover, the crude extract with different polarity, the essential oil, and the compounds identified for the extract were screened for their antibacterial and antioxidant activity, which would help to revert the material basis of the traditional use of L-granulata in the Chinese pharmacopoeia. And next, result and discussion. Chemical composition of the essential oil. Chemical composition of the essential oil. The light yellow essential oil EO with fragrant flowers was successfully avoided for the rhizoma of L-granulata by steam distillation extraction. The yield VOC of EO is determined as 0.27%. Result of GCMS analysis revealed the EO was abundant in alcohol, monoterpenes, catones, aldehydes, ester, alkanes, and acids listed in Table 1. Notably, the alcohols and monoterpenes constitute nearly for over 95% of the total oil. The major components of EO were 1-octanol for 42 to 117%, granule 1914%, and 6-methyl 5-heptane-2-ol 13 1 13 115%, phenol for 20%, linalool 3.9%, 1-decanol 305%, 3-methyl 1-butane 3-ol 92%, and 1-hexanol 2 for 22%, generally made of the volatile constituents identified in this study had been reported by other articles. However, the contents of each component might be diverse in different researches. In our research, the amount of 1-octanol of the hydride followed by the granule. However, in later research, granule was the most abundant with the concentration of 3,32% and 1-octanol reached the second with an amount of 13,39%. The remaining difference in the constituents of essential oil from air granulata, which were collected at different locations, and it may infer that the chemical constituent and amount of air granulata essential oil was closely related with its habitat. Of course, several other factors might also affect in chemical composition, and di sini ada tabel bisa dilihat. And then next, eksperimental dimensi 3, yang pertama plant material, the fresh rhizomes of air granulata were collected from the Hanyang County of Abbas-Cinchel. Fresh rhizomes of air granulata were collected from the Hong Kong Abbas-Cinchel Province, China, Agustus 2016, and a voucher specimen CCPC 12 of the plants were deposited the Corsica Research and Development Center of Chengdu University, Dr. Peng. And next, preparation of the essential oil, the fresh rhizome of air granulata 300,0 gram fresh white were submitted to hydroxylation in a Clevener type apparatus at 100 derajat Celcius for 5,6 H. The essential oil EO. Preparation of the crude extract, the air drained and powdered rhizome of granulata 1,400 0 gram dry white whereas transit with 95% ethanol under report for 3 times and 3 hours for each time. And then next, determination of the total phenols and total flavonoids of the crude extract. The quantification of the total phenols of the extract was performed according to the following Fio-Calteu method described by Buger with some modification. Approximately 0,1 ml of each extract solution, 5.000 ml and 0,5 ml volume was mixed with 7,9 ml of distilled water and 0,5 ml volume sensor agent, then 1,5 ml of 20% sodium carbonate was added to the mixture, maintained above at 30 derajat Celcius for 1 hour. The absorbance was read at 750 nanometer by a spectrometer. The total phenol content was expressed as the milligram of gallic acid equivalent GaA per gram of extract. And then next, chemical analysis of other extract by HPLC. You can describe either as a extract with table bioactive was subjected to the HPLC analysis on a LC-UAT system. Sample analysis was performed using a C18 column 46 mm, 250 mm, Phenometer USAN SPD, and full AF deodorizer, Shimizu Japan, which record at 275 nanometer. The mobile cells was a water with 2,5% acetic acid and the acetonitrate 100%. The HPLC procedure was as follows: 0 sampai 2 min 15%, B2 sampai 10 min 50%, B10 30 min 90%, B30 sampai 40 min 100%. The fall rate was 1,0 ml mil at 35 derajat Celcius and the infection volume was 20 micrometer. 7 pure phenolic compounds include gallic acid, ethyl gallate, rosafin, rutin, quercetin, herbazepine, and camphero were used as the reference standards of the identification of the active components in AA. All the standards were pursued for influence by the biological technology. The quantification of the flavonoids was obtained by using an external standard method. The topic of the section here. And then next, antioxidant activity terbagi menjadi dua, di mana ada DPP radical caffeine EAC and reducing power acid. And this DPP radical caffeine EAC, the DPP 1,1 di phenol 2 pichalidazole radical caffeine SIY conducted in the 9 micropet according to the method of referred 80 of the PPH solution 0,2 mg per ml and 20 milliliter of sample solution of different concentration were added to each wheel of the microplate and checked. And next, the method of reduction for proton is the method Demertas and who with slight modification between 25 milliliter of different concentration 1 sampai 1000 milliliter per mili of extract or components were mixed with 25 milliliter of 0,2 sodium phosphate buffer pH 6,6 and 25 milliliter of 1% potassium percyanate and the mixture was incubated at 50 derajat Celcius for 20 menit. And the next task is physical analysis. All tests were performed in triplicate and the results were expressed by the mean value and standard deviation. The experimental data were submitted to analysis of their variances to determine significant differences by approach. ANOVA of SAS version 9,2 SAS Institute in Cali in USA. The term significant difference was based on dari 0,05. Conclusion: the extension of rhizomal recognized in alcohol and monoterpenes and its major components were 1-octanol 12,2% granul 19,914% and 6-metyl 5-heptan 13,151%. The results showed the ethanol extract, ethyl acetate extract, and butanol extract were abundant in phenolic acid and flavonoids. Both CE and EE exhibit strong activities in antibacterial and antioxidant especially. 4 compounds were successfully identified for the ethyl acetate extract. Of them, Resolve displayed excellent antioxidant activity both in the DTP radicals caffeine assay and the Fa2 plus reducing for acid, ethyl gallic acid, and herbacin strongly inhibit the growth of imported clinic pathogenic bacteria and they play an important role in the antibacterial activity extract. This result firstly reported the antibacterial and antioxidant activity of the essential oil of L-can waktu additionally. The antibacterial and antioxidant activity of the 5 fruit extract from L-can waktu and the bioactive constituents in the extract were also investigated. Their results may provide more confidence for the traditional use. Okay, thank you. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Yang lebihnya mohon maaf. Banyak kata-kata yang kurang, kata-kata yang tidak sesuai. Mohon dimaklumi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.